business. Hapana. Don't do your own business. Eminyeto mwana himuri. Don't do your own businesses. Mukora ubutumwa obwa Kristo. Ahimuruhona. Mukora ubutumwa bwa Kristo. I appoint you. You are charged with the task. I appoint you. I don't know these words, they are very serious to the youth. I appoint you, Agnes. You are charged with the task to be the assistant, the assistant leader, youth leader. You are charged with the task. You have a heavy responsibility. You have an obligation, a duty to fulfill. It's not easy. You are appointed. So tuena tuino utumwa. Tuena tuine chokora. Our obligation as youth. Neha. Hasn't yet it was a wadi of being a witness of what you have seen. Being a witness of what you have seen. Witnessing Christ. Bagenzi banje bampurikirizana n'abarukundi ebiminyeto okubakareba wa Kristo cyanguhi nakachi kubakareba wa Kristo cyanguhi umuntu atakiza gakubiye kubakareba wa Kristo cyanguhi noteka kutamamani okarara no kureba nogira ki no saba mukamangwa kwereza mani go kubasa kugira ki kumubera karebi. There is persecution yechikacha yiguru omukubakareba wa Kristo. Ai mamkarweya muriembra mkoro. These words are said. Mukarweya. Hey, you have time to waste Agnes. You get watu ndakarumoka wara ife. Ati bazimana ko akagurukaho. There. Moses, from Nyachibare to Nyamtanga, Nyachibare. Don't waste your transport. Zokshish. These words are said to us. Kubakaribu wa Kristo tichangwi. Ebigambo birumu. It's not a bed of roses. To be a youth chaplain, it's not a bed of roses. No terwa umutwe no rwana neminyeto no bagarra saidi okisiga wabasya hariya osanga batuira hasa. It's not easy. We are all doing this to be witnesses of Christ. To move just on the right path. It's not merrymaking. No kurya no kunywa. Hey, to a meeting in at times you will come to the meetings. No water, no food, no transport. Ote mwesente, oza senta, oza hika, okubuga neminyeto migenzi yawe, teroho. Kandi wanorugahari. Emtware shati yafa. Ostame oranziyo ku oranziyo kuriya. Kora bwasta maka boda bodanka kutwara injure futiri. Kora rugaho wabyama ekitande kirari cyetorora. Ekiniga you are just wounded. You wenka. You wound yourself. If you remember butumwa, it's not a bed of roses. Not merrymaking. Kubakaribu wa Kristo, it's hard. It's easy. It's a task. Witnessing to Christ is more of actions. Okorbakareba wa Kristo kiri mnongo mbikorwa hatari mubigambo. Ebigambo no bigambira ngukundi yo nimbigamba haza bikomankahi omumbeho za radio na nabahurira bagira ki rero kuza kubikora ebyo turiyo tugambo ko bikora ko biteko mu nkora nicyo kiri kubisa kareba wa Kristo konkora yo mwana nawo mutano akakwatandika kurabamo obeno manyangu hatu watandika kuirahina Kristo